Hi, everybody. I wanted to give you a brief update about the coronavirus response on campus. If you go to the Ohlone website, you'll see information about what is happening on campus. Couple of things. Number one, the college is offering EWs, which are excused withdrawals, to anyone who drops a class between now and April 24th. So if you're struggling in this class and you're not sure that you're going to pass, send me an email. I'd be happy to talk to you about it, but you may choose to drop the class. That being said, Math 151 is struggling to get enrollment, and so this class, right now we have no plan to offer it in the summer, and we have 2 sections available for the fall right now. But this semester we really struggled to offer 2 sections. This class did not fill, which, for the couple of times that we've met, you've been able to see there just aren't very many people who want the class. And so the college really can't afford to offer empty classes, especially in this financial environment that we're in right now. The other thing that's important for you to know is that all summer classes will be offered remotely. That decision was just made and emailed out to everybody. That means that your classes will not necessarily be taught like this class, but will be taught either synchronously, which means that there will be a meeting time that you will join through Zoom, and will be expected to listen to lecture and interact with your instructor that way. So that is a little bit of a different environment, and you may want to ask around. Maybe some of your other classes this semester have moved that direction. I'm happy to give you advice or let you know what the math department's expectation is in terms of the classes that we offer. Just send me an email and I'll let you know.